everybody, my name is R&R Gaming Riley, and R&R Crazy Man, whatever the heck you want to call me. And this is GT Online, and I'm on invite only session, only playing by myself, none of my friends wanted to play with me. And yeah. I'm Monkey. Now, I don't know if my bike's already out, so I'm new to GTA, only on rank 39. Don't have any good cars. Like, the only supercar I have is Bullet. Which I'm not taking this though. My bike's out here. And I suggest the Gta5 for the bike that you get. It might be the cheapest besides the Sanchez, but it is literally the best. It's faster than some of the supercars actually, and it says whatever has been destroyed. Just because I had a bike or quad or whatever that was destroyed in here. So basically, I'm either going to go to the military base, try and steal a jet, or I will, maybe if I get invites to a race or something, I'll like do that. Heck is the military base? Yeah. Now the military base is, if any of you guys don't know, the military base is literally just down the road right here. If you live in my apartment or whatever, just wherever you, once you exit your apartment, go out the door, turn right or whatever, and turn right again, and then there'll be like a little tiny thing that I just went through. And keep on going forward until you see this little tiny line on the map, and it's all fenced around and everything, and it's the military base. Basically, this little bike's fast. It doesn't look the greatest, but it's fast. Lots of you guys go for the Pegasus body, or whatever it's called, like the 801 or whatever, but I personally like Gta5's better. Same speed, but I personally think they look a bit better, and also I find they're a bit easier to handle. And if I get some of my friends together, we're going to do a funny moments montage, start doing some of damn things, and hopefully the recording's like better, like the screen, because I'm trying to make what I can with my iPad, because I record with my iPad, whatever, which I don't really like it, but I can't afford a computer and everything like that, so also, just keep in mind, if I don't post a video like every week, that's because I post videos off my iPad, and it takes like forever to do that. So basically, here's the military base, but on online, you can't go through that way. You need to. I'm gonna go cops turn blind eye.
If it isn't my creepy silent friend, how can I help? Okay.
Hopefully I can do it. Okay, that's a fail. Dang it. Please don't go in there. Yes. Okay, good. So I have 2 minutes and a half. Dang it. That was an epic fail. I'm gonna try and get a jet. Oh my god! Well, I got in. Okay, now I just gotta run and hurry. Because, basically, the jets are that far away. And yeah. So I'm just going to get this car really quick, and I'll just drive to the jet. Hopefully I don't get stars for stealing it. Go. Go. Okay, please don't get stars. Where the heck? Go. Here we go. Go. Now, yeah. There we go. Kill one. Now that wasn't easy. That wasn't easy, I mean. Now I don't know what to do. The cops. This video won't be that exciting. It's gonna be like 15 minutes. And yeah. Well. Go on a rampage, I suppose. Now this is just a little tiny video. This might be, okay, I'll turn this into a tips and tricks. Okay, how to steal the army jet from the military base. Okay, now this is a tips and tricks now. Because I have no idea why I was just going to do this for free roam, because there's really nothing to do now with this besides ride around the place. So, yeah. This has been a tips and tricks, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.